Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by configuring your web browser to block ads and trackers by default. Install one content blocker extension like uBlock Origin to block over 90% of ads. Enable built-in pop-up blocking and tracker prevention in the browser settings. Keep the browser updated to the latest version for security and compatibility. Disable or remove unwanted extensions and review permissions monthly for safety. Whitelist sites you support to allow donations and preserve site revenue when needed. Move blocking up to the network layer to stop ads on every device. Run Pi-hole on one device, for example a Raspberry Pi, to filter queries and block ad domains network-wide. Alternatively, configure your router to use privacy DNS such as AdGuard DNS to block ad servers for all clients. Import reputable block lists or update the host's file on machines to map ad domains to localhost. Reboot the router and clients after DNS changes for immediate effect. On mobile devices, combine app and system controls to reduce ads and tracking. Use iOS content blockers or Android VPN-based blockers to remove ads both in browsers and within many apps. Purchase one-time ad removal fees or subscribe to ad-free tiers when available, for example, $99 or similar. Disable personalized ads and limit ad tracking in system privacy settings. Restrict background data for ad-heavy apps and clear app caches regularly to reduce ad-serving signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.